Southern cornbread. Cornbread is an iconic part of Southern cooking, the perfect companion to dishes like greens, beans, and long-simmered stews. Traditional Southern cornbread is made with white cornmeal, little or no sugar, and often little or no flour. This recipe uses none, along with tangy buttermilk for a moist interior. We will use yellow cornmeal here for its stronger corn flavor and pour the batter into a preheated cast iron skillet to create that signature crispy crust. Let's get cooking. To make Southern cornbread, you will need 4 teaspoons bacon drippings or 1 teaspoon vegetable oil plus 1 tablespoon butter, 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 2 teaspoons sugar, a half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/3 cup rapidly boiling water, 3/4 cup buttermilk, and 1 large egg. The only special equipment you will need is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. This recipe makes a thin cornbread. If you want thicker cornbread, double the recipe but still use a 10-inch skillet. Adjust oven rack to lower middle position and preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're doubling the recipe, preheat to 425. Place the bacon drippings or the 1 teaspoon vegetable oil in the cast iron skillet. If using the combo of vegetable oil and butter as I am here, do not put the butter in yet. Place in oven while it's preheating. Measure 1/3 cup of the cornmeal into a medium-sized bowl. Place the other 2/3 of the cornmeal into a smaller bowl. To the smaller bowl, add the sugar, the salt, the baking powder, and baking soda. Whisk these dry ingredients together well. Measure out 1/3 cup rapidly boiling water. Pour all at once into the medium bowl with the 1/3 cup cornmeal. Whisk well till combined. Now gradually whisk in the buttermilk, breaking up any lumps until smooth. Break the egg into a small bowl and whisk briefly. Add to the medium bowl and combine. Check that the oven is fully preheated and then pour the dry ingredients from the small bowl into the medium bowl. Stir just until the dry ingredients are mixed in. Do not overmix. This last step should be done immediately before baking. Remove the preheated cast iron skillet from the oven. If using the vegetable oil and butter combination, add the butter now. It will melt very quickly. Pour the hot fat, whether that's the vegetable oil and butter combination or the bacon drippings, into the batter. Stir to combine and add the batter into the hot pan. Pouring the batter back into the pan while it's still extremely hot will help form that crispy crust on the outside of the finished cornbread. Bake until golden brown, approximately 20 to 25 minutes. If you doubled the recipe using the same size pan, then bake for 35 to 45 minutes. Allow to cool for 5 minutes and serve immediately. Thank you so much for joining Food Immerse and exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. If you make this dish, I would love to hear about it in the comments or shoot me an email. Until next time, cheers to good food.